Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the Dell Optiplex 7020 upgrade option internal parts. This is the front side design of the desktop Dell Optiplex 7020 Core i7 14th generation model. This is the back side look. So you can see what are the connection at the back. Power supply port, Ethernet port, USB port and 3 display port. So there is no other ports. This is the internal design. Power supply, expansion slot, 3 of expansion slot and 4 memory slot. This one is the M.2 NVMe 2232 size and second M.2 NVMe and third M.2 NVMe and here you can see one more fourth M.2 NVMe slot. So total 4 M.2 NVMe slot in this machine. So the motherboard is supporting 4 M.2 NVMe slot. And here you can see 3.5 SATA drive. Can also add here the big size. We are going to add the 3.5 size SATA drive. Here it will fit the 3.5 drive and another 2.5 drive also we can fix it here. There is a SATA power and a data power, both cable they given inside. So 2.5 drive we can fix here also. So many options for the drives in this desktop Dell Optiplex 7020 14th generation model. This is a memory DDR5 5600B. Here you can see Wi-Fi WAN M.2 slot. We can add also. This is a all upgrade option in this model. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. This is a fan for ventilation and extra slot we can see here. Video card option 1. So these are the internal parts of Dell Optiplex 7020 model. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.